Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me again. We are continuing on with the garden room build. In this episode what we're going to be doing is installing the window. This is the window in situ. This is the frame in which it will be going in. What we've got to do is remove the OSB board first of all. So we're going to attempt to remove it with the multi-tool first of all. See how we get on. If it does the job, then great. If not, what we might do is return to the hacksaw and it's nice, clean, straight, easy line. So use the hacksaw to remove it if the multi-tool fails. We'll offer up the seal, put our beading in place, and then we can get the window installed. Once that's done, we can then seal around the side with acoustic foam, because we've got a 1cm gap, so 5mm gap either side. As you can see, it's been sprayed anthracite grey. It was initially white. Got it second hand off eBay. It's actually a brand new window, so it hasn't been installed yet. The person who sold it ordered the wrong windows and it worked perfect for me. So that was a nice little saving there. I think I paid about £100 in total. It was brand new. All the fixings, all the glass, all cased in, hasn't been used. So I actually sprayed it anthracite grey using the work spray can. So that's this stuff here. It's done a really great job. Probably want a couple of coats just to prevent it. There's a slight chip away where I scraped it across something, so I'll give that another quick spray at some point. But yeah, let's get it moving. That is now the window open. We're now going to look at installing the windows, so quite an exciting bit for me. I feel like it's a bit of a milestone, which is a nice feeling. So what we're going to need for this element is some packers. Had to buy some because not enough came with the window for my personal preference anyway. Got some Forge Elite Performance wood screws. These are designed for window frames. They come with a drill bit, so it's a star-shaped drill bit as opposed to your normal Phillips. Then we've got our thermo foam. This is an acoustic one, so obviously we're going to try and soundproof the premises as much as possible. So this is an acoustic one which we'll be using. Then we've got an acoustic sealant and adhesive which we'll use to finish off and make it a bit watertight. I've already measured or leveled it, and check this bad boy. Look how precise that is. That is clean. So we don't even need to put any packers under here. And here, as you can see, the amount of light that just floods in once you remove the outer skin, it really does make a massive difference, this window. So before we offer our seal up, what we're going to do, I'm not going to bother drilling any holes at the bottom because it's sealed in the middle, so it's highly unlikely that water will drip through. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put silicone, acoustic silicone in these areas here to stop water seeping into those areas and just closing that seal. And then what we'll do, we'll put a line of silicone here at the bottom, then we will put a line of silicone at the top, offer our window up, and then we'll use our packers to then hold the window in place while we screw it into situ. So Right, so I'm happy with the window frame now in place at the bottom. What we'll do is we'll get these screwed in at the bottom, then we can line it up at the top. make sure that they're racked nicely. We'll get another set of packers up the top on the side and this side as well. The less packers you can use in one, the better. So I'll switch those ones over to a blue and a red, and then we've got a blue and a red there. So we'll get it screwed in. We've got these are like tech forge fast self-drilling low torque, so they're pretty high density screws. They're designed for windows, so we'll use these. We'll do 2 at the bottom. We've got no packers at the bottom to get that screwed in, and then we'll do the sides as well. So this will go straight through the sill and the window, and then the packers as well. We are making good progress, but yeah, see you in the next one.